Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Commerce with Namita. I am Namita Mane. In today's video, let us try to understand what is compound interest, the formula of compound interest and one example of compound interest. So let's start. Now what is compound interest? In simple term, compound interest is nothing but interest on interest. Okay. So to find compound interest, we use formula. So what is the formula? Formula A is equals to P bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 bracket close raised to N or power N. Compound interest is equals to A minus P. So we are going to use this formula to find compound interest. So basically the compound interest formula is A minus P, amount minus principal. But first you need to find amount. So we are using amount formula, but in compound interest amount formula is different by simple interest. In simple interest, N is inside the bracket, means you are going to multiply R into N, but in compound interest N is outside the bracket. So A is equals to P bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 bracket close raised to N. So A stands for what? Amount. A stands for amount. P stands for principal. R stands for rate of interest. N stands for number of years. So this is the formula of compound interest. A is equals to P bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 bracket close N. N is number of years is equals to, compound interest means CI is equals to A minus P. I hope you have understood the formula. Okay, so we will see the example of compound interest. So the example is find the compound interest. Find the compound interest on rupees 10,000 for 4 years at 5% per annum. So in this example, they have said us to find compound interest on rupees 10,000 for 4 years at 5% per annum. So solution for this, first note down what is given. Okay. So given is sum means on rupees 10,000, that is P 10,000. N is 4 years. And R is 5% per annum. Okay. To find what we have to find, we have to find compound interest. To find compound interest, so we are going to find compound interest by using compound interest formula. So formula A is equals to P bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 bracket close raised to N, and CI is equals to A minus P. So we are going to use this formula, this both two formula, and we are going to find compound interest. So put the values as per the formula. First, see in this example, they have given 10,000 as P. Okay, we have already have P. We have R, we have N also, but we don't have A. A means amount. So we first will find amount by using this formula. Okay. In compound interest formula is what? A minus P. But in the question, they have given us P, that is 10,000. But we don't have amount. So we have to find amount by using this formula. Okay. So put the values as per the formula. A we have to find, that's why A write as it is. A is equals to P is how much? 10,000. Therefore, bracket 1 plus R is how much? 5%. 5 divided by 100. Bracket close. N is how much? 4 years. So raised to 4 years means power 4. Next, A is equals to 10,000 bracket 1 as it is. Okay, now here what you have to do? You have to find the LCM. How you are going to find the LCM? Like 1, assume that 1 plus 5 divided by 100. Okay, assume over here that you are considering there is number 1. So multiply 100 by 1, multiply 5 by 1. Here make the denominator same. Okay, 1 into 100, the same number I am going to multiply by the denominator numerator. So what will be there? 1 into 100, 100 plus 5 divided by 1 into 100, 100 plus 5 into 1, 5, 100 into 1, 100. Okay, so see here denominators are same. So 100 plus 5 divided by 100. This is what LCM. You are going to do LCM here. In bracket I will write LCM. So LCM if you want to find, so you are going to find in this way. Okay, so make the denominator same. So by LCM, 100 plus 5 divided by 100 bracket close raised to 4. So therefore A is equals to 10,000. 100 plus 5, 105 divided by 100 bracket close raised to 4. Okay, therefore A is equals to 10,000 bracket. Now divide this. 105 divided by 100, you will get 1.05 raised to 4. Okay, you have to divide this. 105 divided by 100, what answer you will get? 1.05 raised to 4. 4 will be as it is because n is 4. Next, what you have to do? A is equals to 10,000 bracket. Now raised to 4 means what? You have to multiply 1.05 4 times. Okay, you have to multiply 1.05 4 times. You don't, some students what they will do, raised to 4 means they will do 1.05 into 4. Okay, this is wrong. What this raised to 4 means? Power 4 means you have to multiply 1.05 4 times. So 1.05 into 1.05 into 1.05 into 1.05. This is what? 4 times raised to 4. So therefore A is equals to 10,000 into, if you multiply this 1.05 4 times, you will get 1.2155. Okay, so if you multiply 1.05 4 times, the answer you will get 1.2155. Then 10,000 into 1.2155, answer will A is equals to 12155. Okay, so 10,000 multiply by 1.2155, answer you will get 12155. Then you have got amount. Okay, amount value is how much? 12,155. Now next, now you have got amount, you have to find compound interest. So write the formula of compound interest. Compound interest is equals to A minus P. Okay, so A is how much? We have got A is this. Okay, A is how much? 12,155 minus P is how much? P is 10,000. So 12,155 minus 10,000, compound interest is equals to 2,155. Okay, so this is compound interest. 2,155 is compound interest. So answer is compound interest was 2,155 on rupees 10,000 for 4 years at 5% per annum. Okay, so in this way you have to find compound interest. I hope you have understood how to find compound interest. Just remember the formula. Okay, formula of compound interest is A minus P. But in the question, in this question, they have given us only principal, but we have to find amount. So to find amount, we are going to use this formula, and by using this formula, we are finding amount. Okay, and after once we get the amount value, then minus it with principal and you will get the compound interest. So compound interest is 2,155. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to solve the compound interest and formula of compound interest. In next video, we'll solve more examples. Thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the video.